What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is March 22nd, and today, guys, I'm just going to do a quick update with what I did with my $12,000 of Tesla today. So let's get started. Alright, guys, this is just a quick recap. So if you're not familiar, on March 19th, that was Friday, I did buy $12,000 worth of shares of Tesla just before 6 o'clock, just before the market completely closed for me. So I did this before any of the news came out with the ARK price target of Tesla 2025, which they said they are roughly going with $3,000 per share 2025, and also before Tesla announced that they were installing gigapressed casting machines in Berlin. So hearing this news, I absolutely thought that Tesla would absolutely explode the beginning of the market. So I was watching it pretty closely, so I expected it to shoot up a pretty good amount just straight up off the bat. And when it didn't, even though it did go up, but it did not shoot up, I thought it would be past 700 easy with all these news going on. So this changed my strategy up just a little bit. I was going to hold off until it broke $700, but I was watching the market like when 6 o'clock happened Eastern time. I was watching this, and then when the market finally started to open, it didn't go up as high as I wanted. So when just before the market opened, I did sell 9 of the shares, and I was keeping an eye on it after to see if it would break, and it did, but then it started falling back. So I was afraid that it would either break farther up or farther down once we hit around 11 o'clock. So at this point, in my mind, if they made the announcement of ARK's price analysis on Tesla, and Tesla giving out their Gigafactory press, and it didn't absolutely shoot up, I don't know what other news that they were going to be coming out with to make the stock bounce all the way up past 700. So I decided to sell the rest of the shares just above 692. So we'll check out what I sold it for. So I did end up selling all of my shares today, just because I thought it would go up a lot higher with the news that's coming out, and it possibly can go even higher tomorrow or the day after, but just to take the profits with the good news that happened immediately. So I did end up selling 9 shares at 682, and then I sold the rest of the shares at 692.11. So it's not a bad price that I sold it at. As you can see, guys, it did go as high as almost 700 bucks, but it did end up falling down pretty heavily at 669. Doesn't mean that tomorrow won't be a very green day, but for the most part with me, if you look here, just selling at those 2 prices here, I bought it, cost me at $12,000, and I ended up selling it for $12,650. So I made $650 in profit, basically less than 2 hours of trading total. So I'm very happy with this. I did want to get to about 1,000, but I don't want to be too greedy because I have a feeling that it possibly can go south pretty fast, just because with the news that just came out, I believe should have had more of a positive spin. Even though they were up, they have been floating around this for the past couple of weeks. So that's what I did with it, guys. I did make 650 bucks, so I am happy with this. I may do another play with Tesla, but that may be around when earnings come out. But I'm very happy with what happened with my gain of 650. So that's all today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please comment and subscribe if you liked what you see. And don't forget to hit the like. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.